Okay, fortunately, a fellow flyer had a charger for me to use. Let me try to go back up again, make up for that last flight, that last landing.
Middle rates, high rates.
Okay, everything's set. Let's get back up. We're at high rates.
Seven minutes and 48 seconds, 15.6 volts.
I don't have that much time. I didn't get a full charge, but
Gear up.
still a little quick flying and then come back to land. Gears are up. Good deal.
RSSI low.
Sorry.
The sound effects. Yeah, strafing run. Come in between these trees.
Yeah, it's so pretty up in here.
Sweet flyer. I just gotta be able to land it. Whoa, that was a close one. That one was not intentional. I didn't mean to get that close, man. Oh man. Yeah, I didn't mean to get that close that time. Came right in with the wind.
Minutes and 44 seconds, 15.1 volts.
15.1. Do a slow flyby, upwind. It does, but I never use them. Rarely. Rarely ever use those. Do what? What do you mean? I don't do that too much. Yeah, I don't mess around with the flaps too much. Like, I'll activate them now.
Flaps 1, flaps 2.
Flaps 2. It's at flaps 2 now. I just use them more for like air brakes than actual to use them like in landing. Definitely not on this grass field, because it lightens up the tail. So I don't need the tail too light. Huh? Well, like it lines up the tail by like the air being, you know, it gives it more lift.
Flaps 1.
Yeah, and so, like when I come to land, like these, you know, these tail draggers, warbirds,
Flaps 1.
if you have too much, if you're too nose heavy, then you're almost guaranteed to, like, you know, nose over, like flip over when you come to land. So, yeah, I try to not make it too nose heavy. Be setting up to land after this pass. Be landing from the right. Bring it back by, do a gear check.
Gear down.
Gears are down. Good. Alright, let's come land. Oh my god, damn it. Fuck, man. Always. What? Oh my goodness, man. Damn. Oh shit. Damn.
Middle rates. Low rates.